If you have a website but feel like you are losing customers because they don't contact you quickly, this video is for you. Imagine this. A potential customer visits your website, likes a product or service, but has a question. And since they can't find an easy way to contact you, they simply leave. Boom, lost sale. That's why today I'm going to show you how you can sell more by adding an inquiry button on your webpage with Callbell. That way, customers can contact you immediately through WhatsApp, Messenger, Instagram, or Telegram, and you'll close more sales in less time. Let's take a look. Okay, the first thing you have to do is go to this page. Then you'll find this button builder, and we have this section for apps and platforms, where you'll find all the platforms you can add a button on your website: Telegram, LinkedIn, Google Maps, a regular link, WhatsApp, etc. So, what are we going to do? First, we are going to choose the platform of which we want to place the button. We put, in this case, it is Instagram, and we put our Instagram username without the @ symbol. Then we choose a button shape, in this case, circle, square, or round. Then, we add an animation to make the button move or not move. Here we are going to add, let's say, a welcome message. It's the message that the user opens when they see the button. And later we can add if we want the button to have a border and a notification. We choose the button style and then the size, whether it is small, medium, or large. Then we choose if we want the button to have a shadow or not. And finally, we select the position, if we want it to be on the right, left, top, bottom, etc. Then, finally, we will click the Save button and it will generate a code that we will copy. And this will be the code that we will paste on our website. To paste it on our website, we just have to go to WordPress, add a new plugin, enter Callbell, and then this widget appears, or this plugin. Then we open it, insert the code, click Save, and then load our website. And as you can see, the little button in this case appears at the top according to the configuration we've set. You can see that you have a welcome message and a notification. Lastly, I would like to talk to you about Callbell. Callbell not only allows you to add that inquiry button, but also centralizes all messages on a single platform. In summary, it helps you manage all conversations from the same place. It automates the assignment of chats to your sales team. And respond quickly with predefined messages and internal notes. With this tool, you will turn visitors into customers in record time. Don't let your customers' doubt make you lose sales. If you want to increase your conversions and improve customer service, install your consultation button with Callbell today. I'll leave the link in the description.